All right, we're still working on our midterm review. One more reminder, the questions on this review, this version 2, are a little bit different than the questions that you're going to see on your version. They're still going to ask you to perform the same tasks. So far we worked through 1 through 5. We did all the questions that said no calculator. From now on, we're going to be allowed to use a calculator on these questions. So 1 and 2, we're simply converting between fractions and decimals. Number 3 was a little bit of a story problem involving some arithmetic on fractions. And then 4 and 5 asked us to multiply and divide some fractions and decimals. Number 6 through 9 ask us to draw some number lines. Okay, they say represent the following sums and differences on number lines. So, first one's pretty nice and easy. I have 3 plus 6. Now everyone in here can tell me that's going to be 9, but that's not just what the answer, or excuse me, they're not just asking for the answer, they're asking to represent them on a number line. So let's sketch a number line. Let's start with that. Now remember, a number line goes on forever and ever in each direction, and it has 0 near the middle. So I have 3 plus 6. Well, that's a positive 3, which is a little bit to the right of 0. So I'm going to start there. That's where we begin. And we're going to add 6. Remember, addition wants to move to the right. Since the second number is positive, it's going to move to the right. So we're at 3, we take 6 steps to the right, and we land here at 9. What's important is that we show where we begin. We have an arrow with a direction on it. We're saying which direction we're going, which one we started at and which one we ended up at. We have the 6 up top to say how far we went, and we've got the 9 as our answer. Okay, coming over here to number 7. Number 7, same idea. Start with a number line. Goes on forever in each direction, 0 near the middle. Except this time, I'm going to start at negative 3. And negative 3 is on the left of 0. Okay, I'm still adding, and addition still wants to go to the right, but this time the second number is negative. Since the second number is negative, we're going to take 6 steps to the left. Okay, and if I take 6 steps to the left, that's going to land me here at negative 9. If you're at negative 3 and you take 6 steps to the left, you're going deeper into the negatives, which lands you at negative 9. Okay, number 8 starts off the same way. Number line. I'm going to move my 0 a little bit to the right this time, just because I know that the answer is going to be on the left. And the reason it's going to be on the left is we're starting at negative 8. Okay, so let's say that this is negative 8, and this is where we begin. Now they're subtracting. Subtraction wants to go to the left. So I'm at negative 8, I'm subtracting 4, I'm going to take 4 steps to the left. If I'm already at negative 8, and I go 4 steps to the left, I'm going deeper into the negatives, and I land at negative 12. Okay, number 9 starts off the same way. Number line. I'll put a 0 near the middle. Okay, and I'm going to start here. Always start at that first number, negative 4. Doesn't matter if it's addition, subtraction, positive, negative. We always start on the number line with the first number. Now, subtraction wants to go to the left. But much like addition, when the second number is negative, we have to do the opposite. So instead of going 8 steps to the left, we're going to take 8 steps to the right. Now, if I'm at negative 4 and I take 8 steps to the right, that's going to take me past 0. Okay, it's going to take me into the positives. So I'm going to use total of 8 steps. 4 to 0 is 4 steps, which means I'm taking 4 more steps into the positive. And I'm going to land here at positive 4. So this is how we represent addition and subtraction on a number line. We always start at the first number. Addition wants to move to the right, but if the second number is negative, you go to the left. Subtraction, same thing, start at the first number. It wants to go left, but if the second number is negative, it's going to end up going to the right. Okay, more videos for more questions coming up.